Every Babsy girl, no, yeah,
You don't know that for a long time, man.
Yeah, bless up people. Hear what? Would I love to be able to show you this content without it being blurred. But unfortunately, due to YouTube community guidelines, if I do, I'm going to get a strike on my channel. So here's what I recommend. If you're ever in Jamaica on July 31st, every year, go to a place called Seville in St. Anne, and you'll be able to check out this ceremony for yourself. You won't regret it.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching.
Yeah.
Like for bread tree, if you use a nail or a knife or anything and like tap it,
Yeah.
they just say that
Like it a bleed.
like
Like it.
yeah,
Right.
Sap from the tree that comes.
right.
Oh, okay.
So when that juice come out and become there and burn it. See that tree can do the same, you know. And there's a tree in Jamaica called the Scamot tree.
Yeah.
Same you get more from it.
You get more.
Yeah, from it.
It smells the same as
Yeah, same.
So remember, it's two separate things. You got frankincense and myrrh.
Frankincense and first.
Two separate.
but the combination gives that smell. What does it look like?
Alright.
Reaching for something.
Alright, this is the clearer one.
Yeah.
Is the frankincense. The darker one.
Yeah.
The myrrh. So that's why I call it frankincense and myrrh.
Oh.
Combination.
Okay.
But you see, this was the first medicine herbs in it. Just like how Prescription was the first job for a woman. Yeah, Prescription.
Where's oldest profession, right?
One is the first.
Yes, exactly.
So this is the oldest medicine also.
Okay. What did they used to use it for?
Any kind of sickness, any kind of illness, if you have urinary tract infection, vaginal infection, if you have arthritis, any type of sickness you have. Yes, practice somewhere, but people don't use this thing anymore.
Did they have to burn it or do they?
But you boil it and drink it. You can boil it and drink it
Like a tea. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Clear up everything in the structure.
Okay.
Just give you a total cleansing, yeah? Very powerful.
Okay.
Frankincense.
Smells nice. Yeah. Okay.
So, do you mind telling us who you are and what tribe or Rastafarian, what?
Okay, my name is Afi Burani. Afi means one who's spiritual, and Burani means light. So the name is really a spiritual light. And what I practice is African spiritualism. Can't go around that.
Right.
So no religion can touch that.
All right, sir.
African spiritualism.
All right, sir.
That
Respect. Pimento tree. It's a country this? Bombas a country big?
Yo, YouTube world. Thank you very much if you made it this far into the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Ramblings. Boom.